Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking permissions and app readiness. This saves time. Open the Google app or Google Photos and tap the lens icon. If you see a camera view, you're set. Aim the camera at the subject, then tap to focus. Once done, choose the mode: text, translate, shopping, or identify. Make sure to switch between rear and front cameras when needed, and allow any permission prompts so Lens can analyze images and return useful results. Now you perform the detailed actions. Tap a detected item to copy text, search the web, or identify objects. This explains why Lens is faster than typing. For documents, drag selection handles to capture exact lines, then choose copy or search. In translate mode, align text and confirm source and target languages. For shopping or plant ID, select the best match and browse details. Make sure to import a saved photo. To finish, save or share the result. Tap Share or Save to Drive or copy into a note. This completes your workflow. Once done, review history inside the Google app to find past scans and retrace steps if needed. If recognition fails, make sure permissions are granted, update the Google app, clear cache, or retry with higher contrast and steady focus. One quick tip: restart the app if responses lag. That often restores functionality without deep troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.